Hi friends, I'm Annabelle. Today we have a full body morning stretch for stiffness and tightness. When you are ready, we'll start at the center of our mat in a standing position. Ground your feet on the mat. Take a big inhale, hands come up, fingertips pointing towards the ceiling. Lift the heels and give your body a nice full stretch. Lower the heels, grab your left wrist with your right hand, side body bend to the right. Inhale, exhale, side body bend to the left. Let's do that one more time. Lift the heels, stretch, reach the fingertips towards the ceiling. Lower the heels, side body bend, and to the other side. Cactus your arms. Inhale, exhale, baby back bend. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, fold. And gently start to sway the hips from side to side. Maybe you grab the elbows, let your body hang low like a rag doll. Inhaling, exhaling. Release the hands, widen up your stance, lower the hips, making your way to a yogi squat. Use the elbows to push the knees away. And gently sway. If you'd like to make this even more active, you can start to drop one knee on the mat and then the other, alternating between the left and the right. Or you may just hold the squat using your triceps to push the knees away. Lower the left hand, right hand comes up. Lower the right hand, left hand comes up. Do that 2 more times on each side. Nice job. Make your way to a tabletop. Your shoulders are above the wrist, hips above the knees. Engage your core. Take a deep inhale. Arch your back. Exhale, round. Inhale again. And exhale. Bring the navel to your spine as you round the spine. Inhale. Protract. A couple more times, moving at your own pace. Right hand comes up. Thread the hand under. Temple to the mat. Left hand comes behind you or at the top of your mat. You may notice that the hip wants to hang at the left. Bring that hip back towards the center. Walk the hands back. Left hand comes up this time. Thread the hand under. And choose where you're going to place the right hand. Back to center. Bring the hips back. Extend the hands. Forehead to your mats. Lift the palms off your mat, allowing your fingers to press through the ground. Walk the hands over to the right. And to the left. Back to center. Walk the hands back. Lift the knees off the mat. Down dog. Feel free to put a slight bend in the knees, alternating between the two, lifting the heels up and down, getting rid of any tension, tightness that you may be feeling. Start to round the spine, coming into a plank. Lower the knees. Put a slight bend in the elbow. Open your heart. Lift your chest. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Curl the toes. Lift the hips back into down dog. Step the right foot outside the right hand. Option to lower the left knee or keep the knee lifted. And slowly rock. If you feel good here, then lift the right hand up towards the ceiling and bring the elbows to the mat. Up again and lower. As you lift the arms up like that, we're opening, releasing the thoracic spine. One more. Lower the hands, lower the knees. Now straighten out that right leg. Flex the foot, toes pointing towards you. Back to our lunge. Step that leg back. Lower the hips. Open your heart. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Curl the toes. Back to our down dog. Left foot outside the left hand. Option to keep the knee lifted or to lower the knee down. And take your time, just feeling the lunge, play around with rocking, just small movements. That's going to help release all of the tightness. Left hand comes up and lower. Bring the elbows down. Lower the knees, extend the left leg. Keeping it straight, foot pointing towards you. Keep your spine straight. You don't want to round it, and definitely don't want your chin tucked in. Your shoulders may be pulled up to your ears. Relax the shoulders, bring them down. Bend the knee, step back. We'll take a chaturanga here. Lower all the way down. Cobra or up dog. Squeeze the glutes. Back to our down dog. Step the feet to the middle of your mat. Lower all the way down. Bend the knees at about 90-degree angle for both of your knees. And we'll slowly start to move them over to the left and then the right. Option to keep the hands behind you, using that as your support. If you want a little bit more, then clasp the hands together. And taking your time to move through this. Open wide as you can, and then lower. You want to take your time moving through these, because the slower you go, the better. Be gentle and intentional with our bodies. And bring the feet in about hip distance apart. Place the hands behind you. Lift the hips up. And then lower. We'll do that 2 more times. Exhale, lower. Inhale again. Lift. And then lower. Feet are together. Grab your ankles or the toes. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, fold. Release the hands. Lift the left leg up. Place that foot inside the crease of your elbows. Clasp the hands together. And just cradle your baby. And then the other one. And that's it. You should be feeling much better. Your body should be feeling much better and ready for you to start your day. Thank you so much. If you liked this class, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave any recommendations of classes you'd like to see more of. Thank you.